So we're here because they needed more bedroom space.
Yeah, they have 3 kids. The house needs a bunch of work.
She wanted a farmer's porch. That is like all she wanted. And unfortunately, the house is too close to the street. So we had to get a special permit. And then there was a gas line in the way. So we had to wait for the gas company.
Stupid gas line.
So it took a little bit to get this one underway, but it's finally on the way. She's getting her farmer's porch. But now we have this house all opened up, and she's an old house.
She's an old hen with a lot of stories.
A lot of stories.
Bagok. Is that a hen sound? Bagok? Do hens make that sound?
I don't
Where
know.
did bagok come from?
You.
I didn't make up bagok. That's a word. Let's go into Webster's dictionary and
No,
looking that up
that's
later.
a word.
If I ask Webster himself, I'm talking about Emmanuel Lewis. If I asked him if bagok was a word, he would agree with
He
me.
probably would.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Bagok.
So this house has had many, many different renovations, and part of the plan was to open up this whole first floor. We got rid of this closet,
This is the bathroom
the bathroom.
that's locked.
So this bathroom was going to stay, but now that everything else is open, we're probably gonna demo it too. You can see the
I need to get my pointer for you.
Are you gonna Paul's gonna get his pointer. Great. You can see 1, 2, 3 layers of sheetrock up there and another ceiling down here. So this thing has 4 ceilings. And so this bathroom has been like kind of layered. I don't even know how many times because that's the original wallpaper back there.
It's like an onion. We're just peeling back all the layers.
There's a lot of layers here. And then that's just up there. And then on the floor, we've got hardwood floors, we've got some kind of subfloor, we've got linoleum. So there's a lot of layers here.
When we're not building houses and raising children and fighting fires, Susan and I practice hitting targets with our bow staff. And you always want to watch out for danger like that electrical wire right there. Hey, that's dangerous, watch out. You're putting that on metal.
It's a coated wire.
I was just using Ninja Focus to slow my breathing down.
I'm just trying to get you not killed, that's all.
I live in danger every day, Susan.
Nailed it.
I studied with monks for 23 years before being able to pull off that move. I can pole vault, I can clean a pool, I can do jousting. I hit it.
You did.
Susan, give a dramatic turn to the camera and say, we're gonna make this baby look new again.
I saved the marker.
No, you gotta like whip the hair. Just be like, we're gonna make this baby look good again. Turn this way,
Oh, this
and then
way.
you're gonna look real quick, whip the hair. We're gonna make this baby look good again. You're supposed to say it too.